Hello dear students, welcome to second part of the video lecture on active and passive voice. In this video lecture, we will discuss about change of the verb form in connection with the tenses. The form of the verb changes in the following sense. The main verb is used in the past participle form and depending upon the number of the subject and tense of the verb, an appropriate verb to be, am, is, was, were, is used before the past participle. We move on to the next slide. The following are the common verb forms in passive. The simple present tense, a subject plus am or is plus past participle. And for present continuous, subject plus am or is being plus past participle. And for present perfect tense, subject plus have been or has been plus past participle. These rules we have to follow while converting active voice into passive voice for present tense. Example for simple present tense, if the verb form in active voice is laughs, will become is laughed in passive voice. Here, for more clarity, I have not written the whole sentence because we have to concentrate on change of verb form in passive voice. Likewise, in present continuous tense, is laughing verb form will become is being laughed in passive voice. And for present continuous, has laughed or have laughed will become has been laughed or have been laughed in passive voice. We move on to the next slide. Past tense. The simple past, subject plus was or were plus past participle. Past continuous, subject plus was being or were being plus past participle. For past perfect tense, subject plus had been plus past participle. Here in simple past tense, the verb laughed will be changed as was laughed in passive voice, and in past continuous tense, were laughing verb will be changed as were being laughed in passive voice. Past perfect tense, had laughed will become had been laughed in future tense. In simple future tense, subject plus will be plus past participle, and there will be no passive voice for future continuous tense. And for future perfect tense, subject plus will have been plus past participle. These rules we have to follow while converting active into passive voices. Example for simple future tense, an active will laugh verb will become will be laughed in passive. As we know that there will be no passive voice for future continuous tense, and for future perfect tense, will have laughed will become will have been laughed in passive voice. We will move on to the next slide. Dear students, hereafter we will say two examples for each tenses. And for simple present tense, example number 1, Dimpu reads a novel. If we convert it into passive voice, it will become a novel is read by Dimpu. Here we have to remember two aspects while changing the active into passive voice regarding the verb form. We have to change it into past participle form in passive voice, and to be form have to be changed according to the tense. So here, instead of reads, we kept is read. So read is the past participle form of the read, and along with that we kept is helping verb also there. If you take a second example, Daksha hates him will become he is hated by Daksha. Here also, if you observe the underlined words, as we know that in passive voice, we have to keep the past participle form So hate uh, became here hated, and along with that we have to change the tense form. So here we kept is. We will move to the next slide. Present continuous tense. Here example number 1. Rasmi is singing a song. If you convert it into passive voice, a song is being sung by Rasmi. Here again we have to remember two aspects. One is we have to change the verb form it into past participle form. So sing will become sung, and along with that we have to keep the to be form according to the tense. So here is, instead of is we have kept is being. So second example, Amit and Megha are watching a movie. If we convert it into passive voice, a movie is being watched by Amit and Megha. Just to observe the underlined words, are watching replaced by is being watched. So watch became here watched because it has to be changed into past participle, and along with that we have kept being. Next, we will move on to the next slide. Present perfect tense. Example number 1. Abdul has scolded Akbar. If you convert it into passive voice, Akbar has been scolded by Abdul. If you observe the underlined words, has scolded replaced by has been scolded. If you change it into already the word scolded is in past participle form, so we have to keep as it is, and here instead of has we have used has been according to the tense. And second example, they have done the work. If you convert into passive voice, the work has been done by them. Just to observe the underlined words, have done replaced by has been done. So here also it is already in past participle form done. So here had be have done replaced by has been done. We move on to the next slide. Simple past tense. Example number 1. Amrita bought a car. If you convert it into passive voice, a car was bought by Amrita. So here, if we concentrate on underlined words, but it is already in past participle form, so we have to keep as it is. And according to the tense, so you have changed it and put the was. Second example, others and his mother dug the garden. We convert it into passive voice. The garden was dug by others and his mother. So here, if you observe the underlined words, dug replaced by was dug. Dug is already in past participle form, and according to the tense, we kept was. We move on to the next slide. Past continuous tense. Example number 1. Mahima was cutting the plants. If you convert it into passive voice, the plants were being cut by Mahima. If you observe the underlined words here, cut, cut. It is already in past participle form, so we have to keep as it is. Then was cutting will be replaced as were being cut. So according to the tense, we have changed the were being. Second example, the child was drinking some water. We convert it into passive voice. Some water was being drunk by the child. So here, if you observe the underlined words, so here drink will become drunk in past participle form, and along with that, we have to be changed to be form according to the tense. So was become was being. Next one is past perfect tense. Example number 1. Mohan had watched the movie. If we turn it into passive voice, the movie had been watched by Mohan. Here, if you observe the underlined words, had watched replaced by had been watched. Watched, it is already in past participle form, and along with had, we have kept had been according to the tense. So, next example, we had given some money to the poor. We turn it into passive voice. The poor had been given some money by us. So, if you observe the underlined words, given already it is in past participle form, so we have to keep as it is, and then instead of had, yeah, we have written had been. According to the tense, we have to change it into passive voice. Next one is simple future tense. Example number 1, Arun and Amog will play cricket. If you turn it into passive voice, cricket will be played by Arun and Amog. If you observe the underlined words, here play replaced by played, because you have to change it into past participle form, and will replaced by will be. According to the to be form with tense, we have to change it. Next example, Rekha will eat some chips. If you turn it into passive voice, it will become some chips will be eaten by Rekha. Here, if you observe the underlined words, will eat replaced by will be eaten. So here eat becomes eaten because you have to change it into past participle form, and will be replaced by will be, because according to the tense we have to keep the to be form here. Dear students, I have skipped the future continuous tense here, as we know that we cannot transform active voice to passive voice in future continuous tense. So directly we will move on to the future perfect tense. Example number 1, David will have drawn a picture. If we turn it into passive voice, a picture will have been drawn by David. So if you observe the underlined words, will have drawn replaced by will have been drawn. So here drawn is already in past participle form. So according to the tense, to be form will be replaced by will have been. Second example, Disha will have blown a balloon. We turn it into passive voice, a balloon will have been blown by Disha. Here, if you observe the underlined word, will have blown replaced by will have been blown. Blown, as we know already, it is in past participle form. So will have helping verb will replaced by will have been. If auxiliary verbs like can, could, may, might, should, would are used with main verbs, the auxiliary verbs remain the same, followed by past participle. For example, number 1, they can hurt you. If you turn it into passive voice, it will be you can be hurt by them. You observe the underlined words. So can here be placed as it is. And in second example, they should trust him. If you turn it into passive voice, he should be trusted by you. Here also underlined words. If you see underlined words, so should be placed as it is. So we will move on to the next slide. In this slide, we come across the following aspects by summing up the video lecture. Number 1, subject plus am or is plus past participle will be used in simple present tense, and subject plus am or is being plus past participle will be used in present continuous tense. Subject plus have has been plus past participle will be used in present perfect tense, and in past tense subject plus was, were, plus past participle will be used in simple past tense, and subject plus was being or were being plus past participle will be used in past continuous tense. Subject plus had been plus past participle will be used in past perfect tense. Subject plus will be plus past participle will be used in will future or simple future tense, and there will be no uh, passive voice in future continuous tense. And subject plus will have been plus past participle will be in future perfect tense. Dear students, here ends the video lecture on second and final part of the active and passive voice. Thank you very much.